Hello everyone, and welcome back to BackTech Product. If you're looking to enjoy fresh, pure, and healthy oil at home, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to review the best electric oil press machine, one of the best options for both home and commercial use. So, stay with us as we dive into the details. Let's get started. Product features. Hot and cold oil pressing modes. The Rukase's electric oil press machine offers two distinct modes for oil extraction: hot pressing and cold pressing. Hot pressing involves heating the material before pressing it, which results in higher oil yield while preserving most of the nutrients from the raw material. This method is perfect for extracting oil from nuts and seeds that require a little warmth to release their oils. Cold pressing is a gentler process that presses the raw material directly without any heating. This method helps retain the natural flavor of the oil, making it ideal for materials that are sensitive to heat, such as sesame or flax seeds. Efficient home and commercial use. This oil press machine is not just for home use, it's designed to handle both home and commercial applications. Equipped with a powerful motor and all-steel gear, it can press continuously for up to 24 hours without a hitch. This means you can extract 9 to 13.5 pounds of oil per hour, making it highly efficient and perfect for high-demand use. User-friendly intelligent panel. The Rukase's oil press machine comes with an intelligent control panel that makes it incredibly easy to operate. The real-time oil temperature display allows you to monitor and adjust the temperature as needed. You can set the desired temperature directly on the screen, and the machine will count down until it's ready to press. The process is fully automated, ensuring a seamless experience. Wide range of oil materials. This machine has a temperature range of 104°F to 464°F, making it suitable for a variety of oil-rich materials. Whether you're pressing peanuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, or almonds, the Rukase's oil press can handle them all. However, it's important to note that olives, cocoa beans, spices, flowers, and coffee beans are not compatible with this machine. Pros. Dual pressing modes. Choose between hot and cold pressing based on the material you're working with, giving you flexibility for different raw materials. High efficiency. Capable of pressing up to 13.5 pounds per hour, this machine is perfect for both home and commercial use. Wide compatibility. The machine can handle a wide variety of seeds and nuts, allowing you to press oils from different materials. Durable construction. The high-quality stainless steel components ensure longevity and reliability for continuous use. Cons. Not compatible with all raw materials. While it can handle a wide variety of seeds and nuts, it doesn't work with olives, cocoa beans, or certain spices and flowers. Longer heating time. The hot pressing mode may take a little longer to heat up the raw material compared to other methods. Size. While suitable for home and commercial use, the machine may take up considerable space in a kitchen or workspace, which could be a downside for those with limited counter space. Final thoughts. The Rukase's electric oil press machine is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh, healthy, and pure oils at home or in a small commercial setting. With its dual hot and cold pressing modes, powerful motor, and easy-to-use intelligent control panel, it stands out as one of the best electric oil press machines available today. While it's not suitable for all raw materials and can be a bit noisy, its efficiency, ease of use, and ability to produce high-quality oil make it a top choice for those serious about their oil production. If you're looking to make healthy oils for cooking, skincare, or other uses, the Rukase's electric oil press machine is a reliable and efficient investment. If you're interested in purchasing the Rukase's electric oil press machine, be sure to check the price link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to BackTech Product for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.